Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's quickly see what's going on with XYO. And as you can see that XYO was in this downwards, you know, channel, and it had this. I told you in my, previous video that it had this major support. Okay, once it breaks this support, XYO will come down. Okay, and you can see it has fallen quite a bit. That is also due to Bitcoin coming down to 35K. It has come down about 42% actually. So now what's going on with XYO is, let me just quickly, because I also explained to you about this potential bearish head and shoulder pattern, okay? And you can see as soon as it broke the neckline, it is coming towards the downside. Now, it all depends majorly on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin will settle down and find its bottom somewhere probably at 35, 34, 36, depending on that support level, then we can see a bunch of altcoins, finding its support, because you can see for XYO, this is actually the very bottom, and the previous support was here, right over here, and it has broken all of those, okay? So, but nothing to worry, because if you go and look at the RSI was oversold and we are slowly coming back up, okay? And we have this uh, this line in RSI, which is a very crucial line, okay? Because you can see that XYO comes and back test this line every time, and we broke right over here, then we came down, came back up, and it came in as a resistance. Okay, so now we came down. Probably, if things work out, then we can go back up and touch this significant support and resistance line in the RSI. Okay, so this line is a very crucial line for XYO. But here in the charts, what I'm if you just flip this chart, okay, just flip it upside down, you can see that uh, we were in this head and shoulder pattern, okay? Now we broke out from this yellow neckline. So once you break out from a head and shoulder, you know, this was the, I'm sorry, this was the break. It came all the way here. Now it will come back and retest this, okay? This line over here, okay? So if it can break this line, okay, this support line, then we are breaking this white line, okay, which is the major resistance level, okay? So we have to get through 3 major resistance levels. I'll just show you that really quick. Okay, this white line is 1, okay, this green line, and then this yellow line, okay? So the only way we might be able to do that if Bitcoin can find its bottom, because you can also see something happening here, okay? Let me show you a lot of, okay, look at this. We can make a potential if we break all 3 of this resistance, we can make a potential inverse head and shoulder pattern, okay? Because this is what, it's halfway there, okay? We have this half, the left shoulder, the head, half head. We just need to make this pattern in order for it to become bullish, okay? And I mean, this is what I'm looking forward to if it plays out like that. If it doesn't, then you have to look for reversal patterns, okay? See, at the moment in the 4-hourly, we can see it coming up to test this resistance, okay? If it can break it, that's golden, okay? So let's see. Yeah, so yeah, it can come all the way here, find some resistance here, okay? And if it can break this, it will touch this line over here. Let me show you. Right over there. and right over there. Okay, this is the major one, the 0.025. Okay, so keep an eye on this, and let's look at the RSI again. Hourly. I'm looking for bullish divergences, but I don't see any at the moment. Maybe in the 1 hourly. Yeah, see, 1 hourly had a hidden bullish divergence. That's why we're coming up. See, it was going up while the price was. Look at this coming down. Okay, so that's why we have this run to the upside. I mean, it's obvious, the price came down quite a bit, so it had to make this bullish divergence. But these are very good prices to accumulate, actually, because people who bought it at the people who bought at the top, so dollar cost averaging is like, one of the most significant move you can make over here, because once Bitcoin can find its bottom, then the next one is going to be huge, because look at this, it's also making this kind of pattern, like a huge head and shoulder, potential head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so that's it for XYO. Hope everything works out and plays accordingly, and we gain some confidence back in the market. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day.